Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a timer to your Greenfoot project. So the first step is to go to my website, tjleone.com, and scroll down to ComputerGamingAcademy2, and over on the left hand column over here you'll see I started adding some lessons on how to do different things. So it says, how do I add a timer, is this one. And if you click here, there's this helpful video, and also there's a starter project for the Worm Chase game. So the Worm Chase game is based on the Worm Chase game in Andrew Davison's book, Killer Game Programming in Java. Most of the code from the Worm class is taken directly from the code that in the book. But anyway, here's a starter project, Greenfoot project, if you want to download that. Let's see, once that's downloaded, oh, and there's also a file for the timer class. Okay, right there. So you can download that as well. So if you, let's see, I'm going to go in my downloads folder right here. I'll just go ahead and copy these two. I'm going to say edit, copy two items, go into this demo folder and say paste two items. Okay, so now I have the Worm Chase and the timer. Okay, now this Worm Chase version 1 works. I'll just show you real quick what it does. It works without a timer. Let me compile it here. And the object is to place obstacles in front of this worm. You're trying to actually bop the worm right on the head. That red dot is the worm's head. And if you're real quick, you can do that. I'm not that fast. But what I've been able to do so far is, if I can kind of trap him someplace, you know, so he doesn't have that much wiggle room, then I can usually bop him on the head. But you can see there's this little counter up here, boxes used. It's the same kind of counter from the ball game video that talks about how to do a counter. And let's see if I can. What we want to do is add a timer. See if I can trap him. I think I did. Okay. And then you just keep like putting him into a more confined space. I still don't get a very good score. I'm just not very fast. But if he gets into a confined enough space, then you can usually get him on the head. Just because he doesn't have many choices of where to go. There we go. So it says game over, and there's my score. Okay. So you know, it's possible to play it that way, but it'd be fun to have a timer up here too, and to use the timing maybe to affect the score also. So let me just quit out of this one. And I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this whole folder and put the timer. So notice I double-clicked on Worm Chase version 1 to make the zip file to make this folder, and if I double-click on this zip file, I got a Java file. So what I'm going to do right now is I copied Worm Chase version 1, and I'm going to call this copy version 2, because this is going to be the one with my timer in it. So notice I've quit all the way out of Greenfoot. That's important to do first. And then I'm going to drag this timer file in where all the other Java files are. And now when I open up Worm Chase version 2, you'll see that the timer class is right there. Okay. But the next thing we need to do is we have a timer class, but we're going to want to put it, in the world, in the Worm Chase world here, and use it to keep score and so on. So that'll be in the next video.